We woke up and we thought he was dead. Night. He was laying in the backyard and he wouldn't move. It was kind of scary. So we thought he was dead and we all were like, he died. We called the vet. And today's his last day. The vet's gonna come in a few hours and gonna put him to sleep. I think it's best. He's in a lot of pain already. He can't walk. Sit down. His stomach bulges out here, and then it's super skinny here. Make yourself comfortable. And he was laying in the backyard in a place where like he never goes. And he wasn't breathing or moving or anything. My mom woke up and she's like slamming on my door. She's like, he died, he died. That's what dogs do. When they know they're gonna die, they try to go away from the family and try to die like far away. So the vet is making a house call to put him to sleep. I've been saying goodbye to him for like 5 years already, because I thought that he was gonna die every single time I left. He's been so strong. You've held on for so long, almost 15 years. I thought you were gonna die in like 8 years. So you gave it a good run, Knight. You gave it a good run. Dog. You can't get up once you lay down, huh? My mom's trying to FaceTime with my sister and the dog to say goodbye. Oh. It's my last times with you. I'm like crying. It's raining outside. This is our backyard. It's raining outside right now, so we took cover underneath these giant leaves. You want more water?
He's not even. It's almost any time.
He doesn't want it anymore. That's coming soon, Knight. He's on his way. I'm gonna miss you. So if you guys didn't know, I told this like on one of my first vlogs, but I got him with my own money when I was like 5th grade, I think. 4th or 5th grade. And begged for a dog. And my Christmas present was I was allowed to buy a dog with my own money. So I saved up all my money for him. I actually sold all my Pokemon cards on eBay and I made like $2,000. And that's how I got him. And I trained him. I went to obedience school with him. That's how I was able to train Gatsby so well. I learned everything. And I walked him every single day until I went off to college. I'm glad I was able to see you one last time.
And he still has it.
Where are you going?
Saying goodbye.
Check everything out. Check everything out.
No. This is what we do.
So whenever you folks are ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready, Mr. Long?
Yeah.
So we'll start by giving him first an injection of a sedative to make him drowsy. And that will just help him in, as you say, his journey, his transition. And then the second injection will let him go.
Okay.
And I'll give you a moment afterwards just to let you know that I'm going to let him go. Okay. So we'll place the needle now.
You don't feel anything, right? Tonight? Okay, good boy. You're gonna be in no more pain. No more pain, right? Oh. Night.
Are you folks ready? Are you ready, Mrs.
Yes.
Long? Okay. Let
Here.
him go now.
Night. Goodbye. Goodbye, Night. Goodbye. Night. Goodbye. You're gonna be with no pain anymore. Oh, he's closing his eyes now. Oh. It's okay. Good boy. Thank you for bringing so much joy. Close your eyes. You're free, Night. Yeah.
I've just been crying all morning long, and he's now in heaven, so yeah. I feel like he was waiting for me to come home, and since I came home, he was able to finally let go, so I'm glad I was able to see him one last time, at least. So we're driving around right now to go and pick up stuff for food because tomorrow is my birthday. I really haven't had any time to, I had like plans to go to the beach and stuff, and it turned out I had to go and get a root canal instead. So, and I went to the optometrist and to the dentist like 3 times so far. I feel like this trip is just running around doing errands all day long. We're inside of Don Quixote right now. They have poo-poo coolers here. Poo-poos are appetizers in Hawaiian. Made it to Liliha Bakery there. They have Cocoa Puffs, that's like their famous thing. It's like a cream puff with chocolate, and it has macadamia nut butter on the top. Ah, it looks so nice in here now. These are the Cocoa Puffs. These look so good. Look at all these arrangements here. My gosh. This is the new Liliha Bakery. It's pretty nice compared to the old one. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna eat one. Mmm. Chocolate pudding inside. That's so good. This is Night's area. We're cleaning up all the stuff in the trash can. Might as well start the healing process. Oh. I'm headed off to a hot pot place with some of my friends from elementary school. Hot pot places are a really big thing in Hawaii. I haven't tried this one actually, asuka. So I'm gonna try it out. Chicken, pork, beef, prawns. And then you boil it in the hot pot right there. So we got different broths here, and it's like divided up here. So we got like spicy ones. Check this out. Aaron just proposed to his girlfriend. Aaron is my old roommate. Anyways, and Gatsby, as I mentioned, is staying with Aaron. So I just saw Aaron just posted the picture on Facebook, and check it out. Haha. Look at that photo bomb. Awesome. Oh, this trip to Hawaii has not been very easy on me. What happened was when the vet came, he actually got up and walked around a little bit to smell everything. And I think you guys saw he went to smell the medicine. And after that, he was pretty much like, oh, okay. It seemed like he understood what he was doing, because then he willingly got onto his bed and laid down. Tears came out of his eyes. So it was just like really, really sad. I was actually very, very happy to be able to spend my last moments with him. And yeah, I feel very grateful to have been able to do that, and the vets were really amazing. And I'm just so happy that he has such a wonderful life. I'm sad that I'm not going to be able to see him anymore, but I feel very grateful to have had such a great dog, and for him to have such a happy and long life. 15 years for German Shepherd is pretty much unheard of. I know he's in doggy heaven, so all dogs go to heaven. I'm sorry the vlog was pretty much a downer today, but hopefully I can have a better day tomorrow on my birthday. So with that, I'm actually gonna head to bed. Good night.